welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieved the look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. To be entered in this month's giveaway, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel, make sure that you hit that bell button and turn your post notifications on so that you never miss a video, and if you are located in the United States, then comment done down below to be automatically entered. So to prime my eyes, I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I'm just applying it all over my eyelid, and then I always blend it with a damp beauty sponge, and then I set everything in place with translucent powder. The palette that I went in with today is the Orange You Glad palette from Colourpop Cosmetics, and this is what it looks like on the inside. I've really been loving all of these Colourpop palettes because I feel like they are an affordable price point, but it's really good quality eyeshadows. So the first shade that I went in with is the shade Sunkissed, which is this really beautiful orangey shade, and I just put the shade in my crease as my transition shade, just going in back and forth motions. And this is just going to act as the background before we go in with deeper eyeshadows, so you don't have to be too precise with this shade. Next, I went in with the deeper matte brown shade in the palette, You Peel Me, and I just picked that up with a defined angled brush, and I pretty much started to map out where I want to add depth in my crease, and I did wing it out when I got to the outer corner. And you definitely want to make this line a little bit higher than your actual crease so that it shows whether your eye is open or closed. And this is a really good trick, especially if you have hooded eyes, to just make the placement of your crease a little bit higher than your actual crease. And then I went back into that first original transition shade that we went in with and the same fluffy blending brush just to really blend out the edges. And then to add even more depth, I went in with the Ola Chola palette from Becky G x Colourpop, and I just went in with the deepest matte brown shade in this palette. It's actually not the deepest matte brown shade, but it's like just like a medium matte brown shade, but it does apply pretty dark, I would say. And I just put that in my crease, and you guys could just use whatever matte brown eyeshadow you have at home, because for some reason I know that palette is no longer available. And I just put that in my crease, just mapping out where I want to add depth, and I did not follow that wing in the outer corner because I wanted that wing to still be a little bit light. I didn't want it to be too dramatic. And then I went back into that matte brown shade from the Orange You Glad palette, and I put that on my outer lid. And then moving on to the brown shade from the Becky G palette, I just packed that all over my entire eyelid because I wanted to do like a matte brown smoky eye type of look. And then moving on to lashes, I went in with our Sofie Bella lashes in the style Bahama. These are pretty much my favorite style at the moment, so if you guys want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description box down below. And I do always apply mascara before applying my lashes, because if you apply mascara to the lashes, that's how you damage them. And then I went in with that first transition shade, and I just put that on my lower lash line. And then going in with the matte brown eyeshadow in the Orange You Glad palette, I just put that really close to my lash line, and I went back in with that first transition shade just to really blend it out to make sure that there are no harsh lines. And the last thing that I did for this look was I applied some lower lash mascara. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, we will actually be picking the giveaway winner for the month of February very soon. So make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure that you have your post notifications on, and make sure that you are subscribed. And if you live in the US, then comment down below. You guys already know what to do. And yeah, thank you guys so much for all of the love and support, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!